Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. We are on our way to Mike's Transporters to collect the van after it's had a timing belt and water pump, and he found another leak as well. So hopefully that's the biggest job on the van done. Nice and wet. Yeah, hopefully. Can't wait to get it back. It's been too long. We also fitted new heater controls as the heater dial had broken. New seal. Hopefully now, it was this top corner. That's a nice rounded seal. And let's have a look at the old one. Not as rounded anymore. Deteriorated. Especially that bit. A few years old, aren't they? Right. Nature's finest beeswax.